In this video, we are going to display the post details component. For the updating and deleting, we will do that one when we get to authentication, which means that the styling for this particular video will not be applied to the previous ones that we did for the complete CRUD operations. So for now, we are heading towards by adding new features to it. So in this video, instead of updating and deleting, we are going to display the post details. And we have the logic already, which is this. So instead of a form here, we are going to display post details component and use that data inside. And I'm going to provide the component for you. So let's get into the SRC. And inside the component and template, let me paste that one, which is this. All right, so for this one, let's get into the post component, which is this, and we have the previous one, which is this one. So I'm going to duplicate, and then I'm going to replace all the content from the template, which is post details. I'm going to copy everything and then back to the original post details component. I'm going to paste that. So let's look at the structure, and it follows the same principle, just some placeholders over here, and this is where we will display some loading and some icons to like and dislike. Don't worry, we will get there very soon. For the meantime, we are just displaying the post details. So let's bring back the original concept or logic, and that is inside the copy of this one. And so let's copy everything from here, and let's get back to the post details, which is this one, and now paste it here. And let's import these guys as that and use query, and then fetch post, which is this one. All right, so now let's see if I refresh it. This is what we have. So let's go ahead and then display the right data. So let me close the opening tabs, and let me remove the copy of these ones. Likewise, the details, and let's focus on this one. So over here, we have the post here being fetched. So let's check inside the console, and indeed, I think it's not this one, which is this. Yeah. So I have to, let me see the post details. Yeah, this one, and let's check the app. We want to make sure that we are rendering the right post details, where for this one we are using the update. So let me duplicate and then change this one to post details, and it follows the same format as this. So for the meantime, let's ignore this one for the update, and if I refresh it, let's see, and we have something like this. So let's look at the details well so that we can display them. The image will be here. I'm going to provide some dummy image. One more time, if you get to file upload, we are going to use the right images or image. So here, remove this and provide as that, and let's see. And this is the image for the post details. So we are going to display the content. So let's look at the properties well, and which is this one, and it can be found inside post details and then the description. So it means that we are going to use the dangerously inserted HTML. If you scroll down here, this is where we are displaying it, and for this one we have done it many times. So here, let me uncomment and just use the post here or data here, On that, we have the post found and the description. So let's see, and we have it as that. All right, so if I go to pages here and if I click on this, I can see the post over here. And don't worry about these logics, we will go ahead and then implement them. For the meantime, we are just rendering the template. As we move on by adding some features, we will uncomment some of these comments here to make the logic working. All right, let's continue in the next video.